Hi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, MS7, where we talk about health, fitness and lifestyle choices. Lemon juice, a citrus gem, is a nutritional powerhouse with a myriad of health advantages. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a potent elixir that can significantly impact well-being. But amidst its virtues, pitfalls lurk. Uncover the expansive benefits of lemon juice and steer clear of these pitfalls. Benefits of lemon juice. 1. Vitamin C Powerhouse. Immune enhancement. Vitamin C's potent antioxidant properties fortify the immune system, defending against a spectrum of illnesses beyond common colds. Antioxidant shield. Lemon's vitamin C fights off harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to chronic diseases. Collagen synthesis. Beyond immunity, vitamin C aids in collagen production, pivotal for maintaining skin, bone, and joint health. Vitality boost. By supporting overall bodily functions, vitamin C enhances energy levels and promotes a sense of vitality. 2. Digestive Dynamo. Enzymatic catalyst. Lemon juice acts as a catalyst, stimulating the production of digestive enzymes for more efficient nutrient breakdown. Indigestion alleviation. Lemon's properties alleviate discomforts like indigestion and bloating, fostering a comfortable post-meal experience. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Improved enzymatic activity promotes better nutrient absorption, optimizing overall nutritional intake. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for support. 3. Weight management support. Pectin power. The soluble fiber pectin found in lemons curbs cravings and creates a lasting feeling of fullness. Caloric control. Pectin's ability to control appetite aids in managing calorie intake and fostering a healthier relationship with food. Blood sugar stabilization. Pectin's slow digestion contributes to stable blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of energy crashes and cravings. 4. Hydration hero. Flavorful hydration. Lemon-infused water offers an appealing flavor option for those who find plain water unappealing. Dehydration prevention. The enticing taste encourages increased water consumption, preventing dehydration-related issues such as fatigue and impaired focus. Holistic well-being. Optimal hydration supports cognitive function, digestion, and overall bodily functions, enhancing well-being. 5. Kidney stone defense. Citric acid's role. Lemon juice's citric acid content raises urinary citrate levels, inhibiting the formation of certain kidney stones. Prevention and dissolution. By reducing stone-forming components and breaking down existing stones, lemon juice safeguards kidney health. Pain prevention. The potential to prevent painful kidney stone-related complications adds to the value of incorporating lemon juice into one's diet. 6. Skin radiance. Oxidative stress combat. Antioxidants in lemon juice neutralize free radicals, combating oxidative stress and preventing premature aging. Collagen boost. Vitamin C's contribution to collagen synthesis maintains skin's elasticity, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. Youthful glow. The combination of antioxidants and vitamin C results in radiant, youthful skin that defies environmental stressors. By appreciating the diverse benefits of lemon juice and coupling them with a thoughtful approach to consumption, individuals can harness its potential for a healthier and more vibrant life. Avoiding the pitfalls and embracing moderation ensures a harmonious integration of lemon juice into daily routines, reaping its rewards while minimizing risks. Common mistakes to avoid. Excessive acidity woes. Overconsumption may erode tooth enamel. Sip through a straw and rinse your mouth afterward. Dental diligence. Maintain oral hygiene to counter enamel erosion. Brushing, flossing, and dental visits are crucial. Balancing hydration. Lemon water complements, not replaces, plain water intake for overall hydration. Sensitivity-sensibility. Start in moderation, as some may experience digestive discomfort due to lemon's acidity. DIY lemon juice recipes. 1. Classic lemon boost. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water. Optionally, add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cayenne. Enjoy in the morning for a metabolism kickstart. 2. Lemon cucumber detox elixir. Thinly slice half a lemon and cucumber. Infuse slices in water overnight for a refreshing detox drink. 3. Lemon ginger revitalizer. Boil water, add ginger slices, steep. Add lemon juice for a soothing, digestion-boosting tea. In conclusion, lemon juice is a nutritional treasure trove with far-reaching benefits. From fortifying immunity to enhancing digestion and nurturing skin health, it offers a wealth of advantages. Vigilance against acidity-related issues and dental care is key. By embracing lemon's potential while sidestepping pitfalls, you can embark on a journey to better health. Listen to your body and seek professional guidance for a holistic well-being approach. Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more enlightening content. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and prioritize your health.